Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to share a document on ClickUp. Maybe you want to facilitate content collaboration with your team members by providing them a direct access to your document. So today I'm going to show you how to share a document on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the freelance icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Docs. Within this list of documents, choose the one that you want to share. For example, I will share this document. So simply tap on the three dots icon at the right side of the document's name. A menu with various options will appear, and here, tap on the Share option. Another menu will pop up, and here, tap on Share this doc option. Now, you can share this document to different social media applications. You can also generate a shareable link by tapping on this Copy URL button, then send the link to your team members. After that, you now have successfully shared a document on ClickUp. Your members will now be able to access the document by tapping on the link that you have shared to them. There you go. If you wanted to know how to share a document on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to share a document on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.